Okay, final example for this chapter, which is example number 10. The period of the moon around the earth is 27.3 days. The average radius of the earth is given as 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6 meter. And then the gravitational field strength on the surface of the earth is 9.8 Newton per kilogram. So now we have to determine the average distance between the moon and the earth. Okay, so let's extract the information first. So we have been given the period, which is 27.3 days. Convert this into seconds. You have to times it with 24 hours per day, 60 minutes per hour, 60 seconds per hour. So you should get the value of 7.3, 2.359 megaseconds. Okay, and then the radius of the earth is given as 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6 meter. And then the gravitational field strength, which is the gravitational acceleration, is also given as 9.8 meter per second square. This is on the surface of the earth. Okay, and then we have to find the distance between the moon and the earth. So firstly, we are gonna use the period punya equation, which is 2 pi r cubed over gm. So here, let us rearrange this. R cubed gm. Then this is t2 pi square. So we have r cubed over gm. So we are trying to find the distance r lah. Okay, so r is gm t over 2 pi square. Okay, however, we do not have the value of m, capital M here, so we have to use the equation ag equal to let me see, can't find the equation. Gm over r square. Okay, so this is agr square equal to gm ataupun gr square or equal to gm. Okay, so this one is equation 1, this is equation 2, so we can substitute 2 into 1, so it becomes r cubed equal to gr square t over 2 pi square. Okay, so from here we can just substitute the values given. So this is r square. R is 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6, square this, and then 2.359 times 10 to the power of 6 divide by 2 pi. This is squared, and then this is still r cubed. Di bawah tu, after you calculate the value of r, you should get 3.83 times 10 to the power of 8 meter as the distance between the moon and the earth lah. Okay, so basically what we are trying to do in this question is to find the distance, which is r lah. Tapi if we are only using this equation, we do not know the value of m because the mass is not given. So we have to use another formula in order for us to calculate the average distance lah. Alright, so that is the solution for example number 10.